On this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix TikTok login issues. So all what you want to do is open the settings, go to the apps manager. This is the first way, and then wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps. Go to TikTok, click on data usage, make sure to enable all those options. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details and click on force stop. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds or 15 seconds and disable it. And the third way is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have an iPhone, search for TikTok and click on this update option. That's it guys, and if the problem is not solved yet, then you have one last way to do is remove TikTok from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.